sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for the...
What's up, my JadeDaDons and baby J's? Welcome back to my channel. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. As y'all can tell, we have a different scenery, different background. And if you don't know, then hi, welcome to the channel. On this channel we do vlogs sometimes when your girl feel like it, and we do hair, beauty, makeup, fashion, you know, all the runaround, girl. So yes, so y'all haven't seen me in a minute doing a hair review. That's just because I moved into an apartment recently, and yeah, I just been trying to get my life together, trying to, you know, get the gist of a new life basically. So yeah, I'm finally getting back to the groove of, you know, doing my wigs and stuff. So this is the wig that I started with, the first time coming back on the channel with, you know, a wig. And this is a collaboration with Julia Hair. They sent me their Kinky straight. It is a 24-inch. Well, it doesn't say for the density, but I did get it in a 24-inch in natural black because they do have a reddish brown. So yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. I'm not gonna do too much talking, but I am gonna go over like some details on the hair and what you should know before you buy this. But when I first got it out the package, it was like so soft and it just felt like my natural hair blown out. And this is a Kinky straight, so when you do wet it, it does have like a kinky texture to it, but it's not like curled, if that makes sense. So yeah, so some people do like roller sets on this, just putting foam on it and then just, you know, having it like that. But I just decided to blow it out and use my curler that I just purchased. It is the Chi Lava. I'll put a link down below if y'all want to purchase it. She's very pricey, okay, but she gets the job done. Like, do y'all see the curls on this? As far as shipping, it came super fast. It's the fastest I've ever got a wig, y'all. I literally got the information on a Friday. It literally came on Monday, Tuesday. Love it. And the lace is so amazing. It was pre-plucked, but I did go in and pluck some more. Yeah, so enough of talking. If y'all have any questions, leave them down below and I'll make sure to get to them. Hope y'all enjoyed the rest of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one. So this is the box that it came in, really cute and sleek. It's just this orange box. It's giving fall, and it says, "Hey beauty, your happiness and satisfactions are our top priority." It just comes in this plastic bag, the hair does, and it also comes with two ball caps and also like two headbands or like elastic bands when you're trying to, you know, melt that lace in. And of course it comes with your usual starter pack lashes. I think it came with like a makeup brush. And right now I'm using the basic white bleaching powder, and I also use the 40 developer. If you're just beginning, I would say use like a 20-30 developer just so you can have time. You know, if you like forget and you go back, the knots aren't over bleached. But since I've been doing this for a minute and I kind of want to, you know, do it faster than usual, I just use the 40 developer to speed up the process. And as y'all see here, they did not give me a cup in my bleaching powder, so therefore I just had to pour with the eyes and listen to my ancestor per usual. Bleaching powder, normally you would do like 2 scoops, so I just measured with my eye and I just, you know, poured it in there. And also I did 2 scoops of the 40 developer, and really you just want to get the consistency to be thick as like a paste. So here you can see that it's not really pasty, it's just very much powder. So I did go in with a little bit more just to get it a little loose. You don't want it too runny because like I said, that will cause your knots to over bleach and it will seep onto the hair.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't.
So moving on to the wig, it does come with an adjustable strap and 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back. Yeah, I did not use the adjustable strap just because that's for like when you're trying to do glueless wigs. I mean, some people wear it without glueless wigs, but I just found it, you know, in the way. So I did remove that off of there. What you're gonna do is flip your wig inside out to apply the bleach and just push all the hair back. So make sure the hair is not, you know, where you're applying the bleach. And the key to really getting your knots is pushing that bleach in, but you couldn't do this if you know, had a runny type consistency. So yeah, it's best to have that pace where you can push through. And also, do y'all see this baby hairs that I did get the bleach on? You just run that under water with your fingertips. Just pull up the hairs that got bleach on them. It should get the job done and bleach shouldn't be on the hair. So now I just let the bleach sit on there for like 20 minutes. Depending on how I feel that day, I may do like 25 minutes. Just keep check back every 5 minutes though, because you don't want your knots to be over bleached. And this is the perfect color that you're wanting to get your knots to look like. But after you get all that bleach out, making sure that you're grabbing a either purple shampoo or a blue shampoo. But I couldn't find the blue shampoo in my beauty supply store, so I just went with the purple shampoo that I always use, and it's by Shimmer Lights. And I also keep this on for like 10 minutes just to really, you know, penetrate the knots. So yeah, I just rub it on there and just let it sit.
I want it to work out so bad, but I feel it in my chest at night. I want it, I want it, yeah. Never fall out of love with you.
And as you can see here, there's kinks in the hair. It's a kinky straight texture, so it's not all the way straight, but it's not curled either. So it's just basically like a natural type hair, and the hair was super soft. And I'm just going to be blow drying this out. Like I said, I'm not doing the roller set method. I'm just going to be blow drying it out. And also I did go over it a little bit with the hot comb just to get it a little more straighter. So yeah, this process didn't take long due to the fact that it is a kinky straight texture. So it's somewhat like my hair, just not curly. And my hair does dry fast, so I was super excited about the drying process. So now we're getting into the plucking process, and basically I just always pull back a first layer, and I probably go back like 3 layers just to you know, see how much more I have to pluck afterwards. So you don't want to over pluck the first round. So like I'm doing here, I'm just plucking the first layer in the front, and then I will go on the back layer and I'll pluck some from that as well, and then I'll part it again, and then that'll be like 3 layers. I don't over pluck at all, because once I put it on my head, I can pluck some more to my head, if that makes sense.
It's gonna be some shit where you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. When I'm stutter till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. When I'm stutter till I die.
And also, you don't want to stay in one spot. That will create a bald spot, so make sure you're just going down the hairline. So don't just stay in one spot. And also, combing back the hair show you how much hair you have left to pluck. So yeah, just making sure you're not over plucking and creating bald spots. And this is just to show you the little difference that it had made with plucking. And this is the other side of the wig that is not plucked. So yeah, did a pretty great job. I probably will pluck more once I get the wig on my head. And now I'm just installing my wigs like usual. If you want any details, you know, of installing a wig, I do have a couple on my channel, but I can also make a updated install if you would like. But yeah, I'm just simply putting on the wig and installing it. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the rest of this video.
She took go and protect you. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro housing. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Whoa, whoa, yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy, well tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to metro housing. Yeah. Too sexy for this syrup, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for the life, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack.
Something about the way that you talk to me. Even when you're not around, I feel you, boy. I feel you, boy. Tangled in your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see you, boy. Oh, I need you, boy.